Hi, I am Subhaprada, Assistant Professor of Mechatronics Department in MAM School of Engineering. Here we are going to see about the Unit 3 Agreements and Legislations. Conventions and Treaties. The international treaties are India is the signatory to the two international copyright conventions, with Berne Convention and Universal Copyright Convention. The provision of these conventions give a copyright protection to the works of Indian nationals in all the member countries which are signatory to the two conventions. The Rome Convention for Protection of Performers, Producers, Phonogram and Broadcasting Organization. These conventions are administered by specialized agencies of the United Nations such as WIPO and UNESCO. There are three types of conventions. One is Paris Convention, which is for protection of industrial property. It was introduced in 1883. Next one is Berne Convention. It is for the protection of literary and artistic works and it is introduced in 1886. The last one is WIPO Convention, which is known as World Intellectual Property Organization Convention. So it is introduced in 1967. Let me see one by one in next slides. Paris Convention. The Paris Union, established by the convention, has an assembly and an executive committee. Every state members of Union has adhered to an administrative and final provision of Stockholm Act at 1967 is a member of Assembly. It is signed in Paris, France on March 20, 1883 and it was the first intellectual property of treaties. It established the Union for the protection of industrial properties. The convention is applied to industrial property in the widest sense, including patent, marks, industrial design, utility model, trade names, geographical indication and representation of unfair competitions. The convention provides for the right of priority in the case of 12 months. In the industrial designs, it is for up to 6 months. The total contracting parties in Paris Convention is 177. After a diplomatic conference in Paris in 1880, the convention was signed in 1883 by 11 countries, that is Belgium, Brazil, France, Guatemala, Italy, Netherlands, Portugal, El Salvador, Serbia, Spain and Switzerland. In this 177 contracting members, only Taiwan and Kuwait are not the parties to the convention. Next, Berne Convention. The Berne Union has an assembly and an executive committee. Every country member union has adhered at least the administrative and final provision of the Stockholm Act is a member of Assembly. The Berne Convention is an international agreement governing copyright, was first accepted in Bern, Switzerland in 1886. There are three basic principles in Berne Convention. That is, first one, works originating in one of the contracting states must be given the same protection in each of the contracting states. Second one, the protection must not be conditional upon complaints with any formality. And the third one is protection is independent of existence of protection in the country of origin of work. It must not be a conditional one, that is the principle of automatic protection. The contracting parties in total is 177. In case of works of applied art and photographic works, the minimum term is 25 years for the creation of work. India's membership into the convention came into force on April 1, 1928. WIPO Convention. The World Intellectual Property Organization is a specialized agency of United Nations. The WIPO is located in Geneva, Switzerland. The mission of WIPO is to promote the innovation and creativity for economic, social and cultural development of all the countries through the balanced and effective intellectual property system. The WIPO was established by WIPO Convention in 1967 from its member state at the month of 14th July in the area of Stockholm, Sweden. It was entered into the force on 26th April 1970. The WIPO became a specialized agency of the United Nations system of organization with mandate to administer the intellectual property recognized by the member state of UN. There are numbers of members are 192 members are participated in this convention for promoting the protection of intellectual property and also to ensure the administrative cooperation among the world WIPO administrators. Here the WIPO has 185 members states and 68 intergovernmental organization and 232 international non-governmental organization and 63 national NGOs agreed by observers at WIPO meetings. The WIPO goals are balanced evolution of the international normative framework, provision of the premier global IP services, facilitate the use of IP for development, world reference source, addressing IP in relation to the global policy issues. These are the important goals of WIPOs. Madrid Agreement. The system of international registration of marks is governed by two treaties. The Madrid Agreement, concluded in 1891 and revised at Brussels at 1900 and Washington in 1911 and The Hague 1925, London 1934, Nice 1957 and Stockholm 1967, and it was amended in the year 1989 for the protocol relating to agreement. Here the number of members are 36 agreement and the protocol is 106. The Madrid Agreement and Protocol are open to any states which is party to the Paris Convention for the protection of industrial property. The system makes it possible to protect the mark in a large number of countries by obtaining an international registration which has effect in contracting parties. Who may use the system means the international registration person can use this system, and the international applications are also available in the designated protection south, and it will be used for the contracting parties. An application is further designations and can be effected by subsequently for the contracting parties. The refusal of the protection is governed by the contracting parties may examine the international registration for the complaints with their domestic legislation and provisions. The refusal is communicated of notification holder and recorded in the international register and published in the Gazette Officers. Hague Agreement. The industrial design protection is limited to the country in which protection is granted. The Hague Agreement concerning the International Deposit of Industrial Design. A WIPO administered treaty, a procedure for an international registration is offered. An applicant can file a single international registration either with WIPO or national office of the country which is a party to the treaty. The design will be protected in many member countries of the treaty as applicant wishes. The Hague system of international registration of industrial design is applicable among the countries party to the Hague Agreement. This agreement allows the applicant to register in the industrial design by filing the application with International Bureau of WIPO with the minimum formalities in the multiple countries or regions. It is possible to record the changes and to renew the international registration through a single procedural step. The Hague system simplifies greatly also the subsequent management of the industrial design. It is possible to record the procedure in a simple manner. Patent Cooperation Treaty. PCT, it is simplified as PCT. It is possible to seek the patent protection for an invention and is a large number of countries by filing an international patent application. The PCT provides with an overview of international treaty which is duly administered by the World Intellectual Property Organization. The Patent Cooperation Treaty is an international treaty with more than 148 contracting states and 153 members of countries. The PCT provides a system for filing a patent application and allows us to obtain the patents in multiple countries and provides a system with the world on the basis of single patent application. A single PCT application has the same legal effect of a national patent application in each of the PCT contracting states. The PCT saved the applicant time, effort and expense of preparing the separate applications in various languages and file it in different signatory states. The PCT filing will take within a month of 12 months period for a Paris Convention for the filing date of the first application, and it is valid in all the contracting states of PCT. TRIPS Agreement. The TRIPS Agreement is the World Trade Organization establishment. The importance and role of the intellectual property protection has been crystallized in Trade-Related Intellectual Property System Agreement. It was negotiated of the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade Treaty in 1994, and it came to effective in 1st January 1995 with the members of 164 in the WTO agreement. The general goals of the TRIPS agreements are contained in preamble to the agreement, which reproduce the basic Uruguay round established in the TRIPS by 1986 Punta del Este Declaration. The obligation is under the TRIPS apply equally to all the member states. The protection and enforcement of intellectual property rights should contribute to the promotion of technological innovation and technological knowledge in a manner conducive to social and economic welfare, to the balance of rights and obligations. TRIPS may establish a common socio-economic and technological development for all the countries. It may come in effect on 1st January 1995 and it may cover copyright related rights, trademark including service marks, geographical indication including appellation of origin, industrial design, patent including protection of new variety of plants, the layout design of integrated circuits. The agreement will set the procedural rules for enforcement of such rights. It will specify the administrative and judicial procedures by order to effective the conferred rights as third parties which are applied to this TRIPS agreement. The issues under the TRIPS agreements are five broad issues. They are basic principles, adequate protections, country should enforce those rights, settle the dispute on intellectual property, transitional arrangement during the period. And the futures are standards, enforcement and dispute settlement. So the developed member countries will provide incentives under the enterprises, and it will include the provision on evidence, injunction, damages, provisional measures and criminal penalties, as well as specific rules to counterfeit, trademark or protect the copyright goods at the border. Patent Act. So the Indian Patent Act of 1970 was first patent statute passed by the federal government of United States, and it was enacted by April 10, 1970, for about 1 year from by the new government was organized. To define the term invention in consonance with the international practices and consistent with TRIPS agreement. To modify the three present act includes the exclusion permitted by the TRIPS agreement. To align the rights of the patentee with the Article 28 of the TRIPS agreement. To add a provision for reversal of burden of proof in case of infringement suit on the process patent with the Article 34 of TRIPS agreement. To provide the uniform term of patent protection of 20 years of invention as per Article 33 of TRIPS agreement. To provide the provision relating to parallel import of patented products. To amend the provision relating to national security. And India is committed to make its patent laws compatible with the TRIPS agreement under WTO by 2005. Some of the salient features are we can elaborate the definition of the invention and the adopting the absolute novelty criteria in the case of publications. Enlarge the grounds for revocation of the patent. In relation to the computer programs, object-oriented softwares will be patentable. Non-patentable is a computer program per se or an algorithm. Patent must be in respect of invention. Patent cannot be divided into the parts that one connect to substance and other to the process. We can claim alone constitute the patent. Method or process of testing during the new process of manufacturing the patentable. Time for restoration of the seized patent has increased from 12 to 18 months. These are some of the salient features of Patent Act. Design Act. The Design Act was first privileges and protection to design the patent, and it was introduced in the year 1872. The Design Act refers to the features of shape, configuration, pattern or ornamentation which can be judged by the eye in finished products. The design registration is used to protect the visual appearance of manufactured products. It is intended to protect only for the appearance of the article and not how it works. It also protects the features of shape, configuration, pattern or ornamentation. It also excludes the design which are essentially artistic works which are covered by copyright legislation and are not eligible for the design registration. The Invention and Design Act was in the year 1888 repealed in this Act of 1872. It is mostly among the law relating to the protection of the main designs, and it was passed by the Governor General of India to privilege the inventors. The Design Act is publicly notified on May 25, 2000. The international classification will now take effect and priority may be claimed from the application field. The design should be applied or applicable by Industrial process. It may be lack novelty or originality in relation to design, means originating from the author of such design. So it is very supplemented to the patent process, and it may be combination of the known design product. Some of the salient features of Design Act 2000 is the introduction of absolute novelty, and it makes judgment a very priority to the applicable countries. And it was first member of the India in the part of World Trade Organization Paris Convention, and it was signed by PCT, that is Patent Cooperation Treaty for the claim priority rights. It also revoked the 2 years of registered design, and it may contains the provisions for substitution of the application from registering the designer. Then it also contains provisions for the avoidance of certain restrictive conditions, and it is anticipative for the practices with contractual license. Trademark Act. The trademark law is introduced in the year 1999 under the section 2 defines the trademark as a capable of being represented graphically with distinguishing these goods or services. So the trademark is earlier Trade and Merchandise Mark Act 1958, and it has been repealed. The definition of the trademark is defined as Indian Trademark Act means a registered trademark or mark used to identify the origin and manufacture of goods. The trademark offices are located in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai. The application for the registration is made by the trademark attorney on behalf of the owner of the trademark. After the examination, the journal issued by the trademark registry at Mumbai for inviting the objections. The act will give the complete definition of the term infringement, and it will is used too frequently. So in the Trademark Act, it provides the punishment, penalties, offenders, and also the time duration of registration for the non-traditional trademark. So some of the salient features are it includes the registration of shape of goods, packaging and combination of colors. It also have the provisions for smell and sound marks, and it also have a single application for the same mark for multiple places, and it provides the period of registration is 10 years, and it is permitting for filing the multi-class applications, registration of the collective marks, etc. Then it is permitted use to include the use of the registered trademark by an unregistered license, and the scope of the infringement has been widened, and for instance use of registered trademark as a part of the corporate name or mark. So in the case of the word marks, even spoken use of words can constitute the infringement. So the trademark violation is now a consingable and non-viable offence. Geographical Indication Act. The Geographical Indication Act was introduced in the year 1999, and it is suitable for the Generis Act of Parliament of India for the protection of geographical indications in India. This act is controlled by the Controller General of Patents, Design and Trademarks, who is the Registrar of Geographical Indications, would administer the act. In Basmati rice case, the India could get help from the WTO on the issue of patenting of geographical indication name, because India did not have its own legislation. So the US government has supported India on the Basmati rice issue. There are three primary reasons to introduce a GI Act in India. They are all WTO members must provide means for interested parties to prevent the use of marks, and also for the use should not amount to unfair competition. It is also to protect the GIs from the misuse in other countries. So the goods means any agricultural, natural or manufactured goods, or any goods of the handicraft industry and includes foodstuff. It shall come into the force on date as the central government and by the notification of the gazette officers. So they will provide the reference in the commencement of this act and it will constitute to the coming into the force of the provisions. So the indication includes a name, geographical or figurative representation, and it will be the combination of conveying the suggestions of the geographical origin of goods. Thank you so much.